Right. So welcome to our final game dito sa ating opening day na ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation, the SAFI on our inaugural season mula dito sa Davao City Recreational Center here at the heart of Davao City. And our final game ngayong gabi na ito ay sa pagitan ng JMC Kings and the Agro-Industrial Colleges of the Philippines, Agro Sailors. Sila po ang makipagsagupahan ngayong gabi na ito dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. And don't forget to follow our Facebook page sa Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. You can check our schedules and of course our upcoming games dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. Sama yung gabi, Davao Mindanao. Ako po si Ray Alunsagay. Kasama ko po si Chris Escaran. And it's our final game sa ating opening day, Chris.
Magabi Ray, so ika-third game na to karon. So expect na to top teams sa Davao, Agro and JMC. Which is JMC most commonly kailan mo kita na kusog sila team. But don't forget Agro Sailors because they're definitely gonna play they're gonna play their best in this ball game.
That's right. So yan ang ating aabangan dito sa ating last game here inside the Davao City Recreational Center. So let's listen in to our court announcer, Leroy Salarda.
Jersey number 17, Arnie Villanueva. Wearing jersey number 29, Rudy De Lima. Wearing jersey number 7, J.R. Lubala. And wearing jersey number 24, Jessica Baliwa. And coach of your Agro Sailors, Coach Rodney Conda, assistant coach John Valenzuela, Gilbert Magkiwi. The starters of the Jose Maria College JMC Kings.
Lineups, we have Tanod, Mendiola, Thompson, Zaragoza, and Budlao for GMC. And Chris, ito ating starters for the Agro Sailors.
Yeah, we have Daet, De Lima, Baliwan, Lubalan, and Mr. Villanueva. Yeah.
So yan ating
high power, high octane basketball ang makikita natin. This one of the rivals sa ating liga dito sa Davao City.
So they have played multiple times sa iba't ibang mga liga din sa Davao. And this is a rivalry na ating aabangan dito. The open tip now controlled by the JMC Kings. So you have the size advantage na kita natin from JMC Kings. And here comes Raybon Thompson. Now looks to go to work. Looks to score his first field goal for the Kings. Extra feed. There's the corner shot. Goes in and out. And we have the first foul already dito sa ating first quarter.
Early lambingan. Ito, Ray, sabi ko, rivals tong team na to. Walang gusto magpatalo ito, especially for Agro. They're trying to prove themselves na kaya na talunin itong the mighty JMC Kings.
So kung nag-follow mo sa college basketball diri sa Davao, if you have followed the Agro Sailors, isa sa mga key players dito, si Chesram Baliwan, number 24.
Yes.
Sa mga veteranong players for Agro Sailors. And of course, if you're a fan of the JMC Kings, of course, Raybon Thompson, sa mga kilala mga big guys for Coach Dong Kagampang.
Yes. And JMC is known as one of the formidable basketball team sa Davao, especially for college basketball.
A lot of great players coming out from the GMC program for many years.
Yes.
So we have another batch of talent dito sa lineup dito for the JMC Kings. As they're looking to score their first field goal as Zaragoza breaks free inside.
Ganda ng setup doon for Zaragoza. Ganda ng curl doon. Iwan na iwan yung depensa. Great screen for ating.
And the first basket for JMC dito sa ating opening season na ating Dasafi. Maliwan. Bibigay sa kanyang kakampi. So they move the ball around for the Agro Sailors. 8 to shoot. And the first foul of the game for JMC.
Great diva, great offensive setup there for Agro Sailors. They're sharing the ball. Pabilis yung pasa ng bola and fishing up a pop for JMC.
So there's our Dasafi instant replay as Zaragoza with the first basket for the JMC Kings sa ating opening season na ating Dasafi. So plenty of time in the shot clock. That's a 3-point attempt and Thompson the rebound.
Great defense for JMC Kings there, forcing forced 3-pointer para sa Agro Sailors.
So Zaragoza may tangan ng bola. Ibigay ng pick si Thompson. Zaragoza, pull-up jumper. Agawan ng bola at mapunta ang Kambaliwan. So here comes number 29, that's De Lima. Bibigay sa kanyang kakampi. So patient offense for the Sailors.
Yes.
Pero
Great
naagawan. But Baliwan able to recover, but shot clock is down to 5. Sailors has to hurry. Body pass to the wrong man.
Masyadong matagal ang pasa doon para sa Agro Sailors.
Mendiola. You can see the long wingspan from Mendiola. Jump shot is missed.
Great box there for jersey number 22 for Agro Sailors.
So the Sailors looking to score their first field goal. That shot will not count, but 2 free throws coming up para kang Eddie Lubalan.
Yes. Ito, magandang patience dito ng Agro Sailors. Magandang pasa nila, Ray, making JMC defense confused kung anong gagawin nila.
Pero ang hamon dito ng Agro Sailors is that they're undersized sa
Yes.
kanilang opening lineup.
They're big bodies, wide bodies rather, but kung height ng babasihan, itong JMC 3 players nila, halos magkasing tangkad lang.
And they have that long wingspan from
Yes.
the bigs ng JMC Kings. So yan ang hamon dito ngayong gabi for the first game ng Agro Sailors. And there's the first basket, first point for the Agro Sailors. It's 2-1 ating talaan. So we only have one field goal made with about 3 minutes gone by dito sa ating first quarter.
And away from the ball, foul for Agro Sailors.
It looks like 2 early fouls for Eddie Lubalan, I think. Kaya
So, kailangan siya palitan dito. So, kalaking player. Part.
alley pass to Thompson, gets it to go.
And yun yung isang trend ni Raymond Thompson. He's an athletic forward or center for JMC.
Oh. So you have a 3-big combination for the
Yes.
JMC Kings. There's a tough layup drive. Yes, and one. Bola kang Arnie Villanueva.
Yes, great attack there for Arnie Villanueva. Fishing up a foul on a JMC player.
And that's the first field goal for the Agro Sailors this season.
Yes, that's right, partner.
So free throw coming up para kang Arnie Villanueva. And Tanun with the rebound.
Pasin ko sa JMC Kings, lagi na kasi sila mayroong product na magaling na point guard. Like dito Mendoza, Zaragoza. Tingnan mo, napaka galing mag-set up the player. And like previously, si Puyos, di ba, from JMC, he's also one of the good point guards.
Oo, si RV Poyos sa mga magagaling na gwardya.
So, from JMC, Gibay is also from JMC,
Oo.
another great point guard. So every year, or every season, meron talaga magaling na point guard tong JMC. Great defense by Thompson there.
As he blocks that shot. And JMC looks to go on the run. So Zaragoza now settling on this half-court set. Ball knocked loose. And Zaragoza able to recover. Thompson. Oh, he'll try for 3. So Tanod with a long rebound. Bibigay kang Norman Kagampang. Balik kang Thompson. Mid-range. No. Another rebound for Tanud-Tanud. Mendiola steps back. Goes over the top. And that's another rebound from Tanud-Tanud. Zaragoza inside. In and out.
Aliwan secures the rebound for Agro Sailors. Great patience there for JMC. Kaso hindi lang talaga sila make ng basket doon. But
So there's that quick first step mula kang Norman Kagampang on this the Safi instant replay.
mabilis ang tapalitan ng tao for both teams. Ito talaga parang chess match for both teams.
Oh, exactly. So for the Agro Sailors, this is going to be a big test for them. Of course, led by their head coach, Roderick Condas, sa mga iladong mga coaches here in the college basketball in Davao. Great team defense for JMC, forcing a turnover.
Yes. Great defense for JMC. Yung man-to-man defense ng JMC Kings dito, napaka-crisp. Forcing turnover for Agro Sailors.
So there's Coach Roderick Conda, and on the other side, there's Coach Dong Kagampang.
Yes. Mga batikang coaches yan sa Davao.
Oh, mga iladong coaches. Dini sa Davao region. Here comes Baliwan on the fast break. One man to beat. That shot won't go. Another try. Kapos.
Garit natin for Agro Sailors there, but di na makabustuan. Kagampang.
Ang bilis ng pagbaba ng bola dito.
Yes.
Si Norman Kagampang on the fast break, and that means 2 free throws coming up for Norman Kagampang.
And I think that's also the advantage on GMC since before. Their players were versatile. They can play fast, they can play half court. So, yan yung parang advantage. Saka malalaki talaga din sila.
Oo. So yan ang hamon dito for the Agro Sailors. How will they overcome this size disadvantage as they match up against a very elite JMC squad?
Mukhang mapapatrabaho talaga si Baliwan ng Agro Sailors dito.
So a lot of work that needs to be done, especially if you're Jeshram Baliwan. Sa mga go-to players for the Agro Sailors.
Nakakuha siya ng foul kay Benaflor.
So penalty na ang GMC Kings.
Grabing defensive oriented ng game partner. 6-3 in the span of more than 5 minutes of playing.
I think dalawang field goals ata na ipasok dito for the JMC Kings. While for the side of Agro Sailors, isa lang yung field goal na pinasok dito. So it has been a defensive first quarter. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page at Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. Second free throw coming up. Yes. For Jeshram Baliwan.
Bagong lima na for JMC Kings. Ito, malalim talagang depth ng lineup nila.
So we have Carlo Estomo and Raymart Budlao now coming into the lineup for JMC Kings. Also coming in for the JMC Kings, we have Reginald Ching, number 5 ng JMC. Also na number 77, Harold Kayunda. And ito si number 59, Carlo Estomo. He can be a very dangerous outside shooter yan.
Yes.
So I have followed this kid from other leagues, and he is a very reliable 3-point shooter. Itong si Carlo Estomo. Budlao will try for 3. Yes!
And isa na yun. Hindi ka nga nagkakamali, partner. That's the first 3-pointer for JMC Kings in this ballgame.
That's right. And
Bad possession there
with the
for Agro
steal.
Sailors. Counter
And
steal.
Agro Sailors takes it right back. Orak. Atake. Mintis.
Ako, hindi pinasa.
Turnaround jumper. Kapos.
Bad possession there for Agro Sailors. 3 against 1 yun, pero hindi pinasa. Challenging the defense of the big, tall lineups of JMC.
At nasabit doon si Benafor, a foul called against John Orak.
So in order for Agro Sailors to overcome this mighty JMC Kings, they need to share the ball. Bigay mo na kung may nakita ng open sa harapan. Kasi matatangkad to, hindi mo sa basta-bastang i-challenge on top.
There have been some instances na they were able to rotate the basketball if you're the Agro Sailors. Pero ito lang, yung defense, yung man-to-man defense ng JMC, really having a hard time.
Yeah, and ito malalaking players ng JMC, hindi to takot bumutata ng player. Ang ganda naman ng play na yon for JMC Kings.
So nako-play yun for the
Yes.
Kings as Harold Kayunda with the basket. So itong Agro Sailors only has 1 field goal with 3 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Shot from the corner, high looper. And that was a great contest from
Yes.
Raymart Budlao.
Yes. And also a forced shot there for Agro Sailors. Maganda yung ball movement nila. Kaso, hesitate silang umatake kasi malalaki nga yung JMC sa ilalim.
At saka ang ganda kasi yung rotation sa depensa itong
Yes.
JMC Kings.
They know when to switch. They know when to track down their man. So, kaya madali na madepensahan yung Agro Sailors. Kaya 1 field goal pa lang sila sa game na to.
So there's the first appearance at the free throw line for the Safi. Itong si Carlo Estomo. Mintis yung unang free throw. So ito si Carlo Estomo, a shooting guard. Gikan sa Ubalde, din sa Dakbayan sa Davao.
Shoutout din sa mga taga-Ubalde diha.
And we have the first timeout sa ating laro na ito. Sa tawag muna ng timeout, si Coach Roderick Conda ng Agro Sailors. So babalik po tayo dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center. So let's listen to a report from Christine Abayratna.
Okay, that was a good start for the Kings. Coach said they're doing well on offense but need to tighten their defense, especially on transition plays.
Alright, maraming salamat Christine for that courtside report. It's now a 12-4 advantage for the JMC Kings. And Ching finishes and one.
Great stuff for JMC and a great offense naman on the other end. Offense and defense.
Look at this fast break opportunity for JMC. They love to run. And that basket goes for Ching.
Like gaya na sabi ko kanina, ang team na to kayang bumilis, kaya din mag half court set. So,
So maraming mga paraan na gawin dito ng JMC. They have plenty of weapons sa lineup ni Coach Dong Kagampang.
si Coach Don, matagal-tagal ko na ito nasusubaybayan si Coach Don. Sa Montanya days pa niya ito si Coach Don.
Orak
Great
inside.
challenge there for Ching. Pas JMC. Not giving an easy basket for Agro Sailors, but
And that's the second field goal for the Agro Sailors as John Orak scores inside.
pahirapan na puntos para sa Agro Sailors.
Oo. So approaching 2.5 minutes remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Ching on the entry pass. And a foul called against number 27, Jay Redosendo.
As you notice, the JMC Kings are taking their time, partner. Hanapin yung big man nila sa gitna.
So there's our Dasafi instant replay from John Orak as we're able to make a basket in traffic for Agro Sailors.
Nakapis na naman ang foul dito ang JMC Kings sa big man ng Agro Sailors.
So mintis yung first free throw for Hector Benaflor. They're a big guy, gikan sa Hagonoy, Davao del Sur. So shoutout nato sa atong mga kauban nato na nagatanaw karon gikan sa probinsya sa Davao del Sur. Thank you so much for joining us sa ating live coverage sa Dasafi at ng Madayaw Sports Davao.
Yeah, hello po sa inyo. Mayang gabi sa inyong tanan. And tabi na sa mga nananaw sa atong Facebook page, sa live streaming, and sa mga natanaw sa tuwa sa international.
Of
Natanaw
course.
taga Saudi, Dubai, ganina, natanaw sa atong dula.
Oh, nagatanaw di ay nato mga kauban nato gikan sa abroad.
Great defense naman for JMC there. Kahit na wide open partner, hinahabol talaga na para i-bother.
At wala nang choice itong Agro Sailors but they have to make a quick foul.
Yes.
Kasi nagmamadali na dito on the transition play for JMC.
Yes. Kita mo yun, wide open na yung jersey number 5 ng Agro Sailors. Hinabol. At saka forcing them para ibaliin pa yung tira niya to force a miss.
And bad news for John Orak. He now has 3 early fouls and we still have 2 minutes remaining in this first quarter.
Naku po, and siya pa naman yung parang bruiser nila sa ilalim.
Alongside his mate na si Jeshram Baliwan.
Yes.
This yung second free throw and rebound mapunta kang Lloyd Galban.
Buti na lang, maraming miss sa free throw itong JMC.
Sa Agro Sailors down by 10. So 2 minutes remaining in this opening quarter. Outside shot, Mintes. Long rebound mapunta sa Agro Sailors. Jump shot, Mintes.
And another foul on Ora.
That means 4 fouls for John Orak. A bad start for him dito sa ating first quarter. So wala nang choice si John Orak but he has to go back to the bench as he's being replaced by his teammate number 22 ng Agro Sailors.
Nag-backfire yung gamble ng coach niya sa kanya kasi
Oo.
he can't afford to sit him out kasi siya lang naman yung bumabantay at kumukuha ng rebounds para sa team niya. But, kung yun na nga, 4th personal foul in the first quarter.
So wala nang choice si Coach Roderick Condac but he has to sub out. So he'll be replaced by Rick Daet, number 22 rather, ng Agro Sailors.
Yeah, it's a early 12-point lead here for JMC. No foul there.
Here comes Agro Sailors. And a
traveling
traveling violation,
Great
yes.
defense na naman para sa JMC. I think ito yung nakikita kong issue ng Agro Sailors. They're forcing their offense. Kung sino makakuha na player after one pass, dire-diretso, walang ball movement. Hindi hinahanap yung best possible shot.
And because of the man-to-man defense again from the JMC Kings throughout this first quarter. Budlao, nice setup. Kayunda, quick shot, doesn't go. There's that forward pass to Daet. So he'll try slack from 3. No.
Another early attempt here for Agro Sailors.
It's all because na mabilis kasi yung pagbaba sa depensa itong JMC Kings. So they're now settling for those quick offensive opportunities.
I think bad shot yun, partner. Sa early. Kaka-receive ng bola and JMC has already been settled there in the middle. Walang offensive rebound yun.
Baliwan, offensive rebound, ball knock away, and we have a tie-up. Oo. Dalawa lang kasi yung field goals dito ng Agro Sailors in this first quarter. And again, yung mga malalaking mga galaway dito ng JMC Kings really having a hard time to establish their offensive opportunities for Agro Sailors. And finally, Daet. Looks like that's a 2-point shot. So, dito sa ating first quarter. So, last shot opportunity for JMC. Estomo, push shot off the glass, no. For offensive rebound. And there goes the buzzer at the end of the first quarter. So, the JMC Kings takes an 18-9 lead over the Agro Sailors. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa ating second quarter. So second quarter now underway as the JMC Kings win early advantage dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. And of course, Agro Sailors only had 3 field goals made all throughout the first quarter, all thanks to the defense ng JMC Kings. Oh. To go and 1. So ito si Kayunda looks to make some noise dito sa ating second quarter as we take a look at the Safi instant replay. Was a great inbounds pass from Ching.
Wala na magawa si Iwan doon. Nakalipad na si Kayunda.
And again, the size advantage paying huge dividends for the JMC Kings dito sa ating first half overall.
I think I agree needs to find a way to neutralize the pace ng JMC. If they need to press, I think Ray, kailangan press yata dito kasi una na ginawa nung Aero Masters at saka nung Stallions kanina. First games nila, they pressing the bigs of the other teams para hindi magamit as advantage.
And for the Agro Sailors, they have to improve their spacing as well.
Yes.
So that they will able to find better options sa kanilang opensa. And that's another bad possession there for Agro Sailors. That means another opportunity for GMC to increase their advantage dito sa ating second period.
There for Agro Sailors. Smartphone here for Istomo, preventing pass break. Hindi nila binibigyan ng momentum. Agro Sailors.
Again, yan yung sa mga underrated weapons sa kanilang programa sa JMC. Their defense.
Yes.
Especially when you have plenty of picks sa kanilang lineup.
And but this time, it's Budlao.
Here comes Budlao. He's a one-man fast break. Goes glass. Wala. And Agro Sailors looks to go on the run. Nice setup to his teammate. That's Eddie Lubalan.
Ayun ang sinasabi ko, partner. Kanina, yung first quarter, pag may ganung sitwasyon, dinidiretso ng offensive player. Kanina, pinasa niya. For a great opportunity for a basket para sa Agro. And yun, nakapasok sila ng layup. So I think they need to do that more. Itong Agro Sailors. Trust their teammates.
So we take a look at the Safi instant replay on that nice fast break play for the Agro Sailors as JR Lubalan with the fast break layup.
Yes, not forcing the issue doon si jersey number 17 for Agro, which is si Arnie Villanueva.
So foul on the side against JMC. I think that's Mendiola with a personal foul. So second personal foul for Bennett Mendiola for the JMC Kings. Again, yung JMC Kings, they have a deep roster.
Yes. Eh, kung tutusin, parang pareho lang yung pinalitan nila ang galawan, partner.
Oo.
So, mahirap talaga silang talunin itong JMC Kings. Great defense there, JMC Kings. Basang-basa. Anong gawin ng Agro Sailors doon?
So far, hindi pa nagpaparamdam dito si Carlo Estomo here in the second quarter. Agro Sailors, nice ball fake. And the shot is good. Wala kang JR Lubalan.
Great extra pass din, partner. Sabi yung sinasabi ko, yun ang kulang na kanina. Now, 7 points.
So still within striking distance itong Agro Sailors.
Ano, 9? Sorry. 15 points na kanina.
So there's our Dasafi instant replay as that was a great ball fake. Able to break down the defense and the basket goes for JR Lubalan.
And a great stop there for Agro Sailors. Balis kanila yung bola and a chance here na may baba to even more.
So single-digit ball game as Agro Sailors looks to step up their offense sa second quarter. Baliwan, now matching up. Oh, nice two-man game. Nako, sobrang nga lang yung layup from Lubalan. Estomo nagmamadali. Zaragoza for three, short.
Extra possession for JMC.
Oh,
Great
that's a
setup.
wide open three for Estomo. And that's the result.
Nothing but net yun para kay Stomo. Great defense na naman for Agro Sailors. Thompson.
Oh, nice Euro step by Braymond Thompson. And gets the basket to go.
There, body control for. Walang magawa doon. Ang depensa, napakalaking sumide step.
Oh, great
Under the basket.
footwork. Great footwork from
Yes.
Braymond Thompson. So 14-point lead now for the JMC Kings. 26-12. And Jeshram
ayan na.
Baliwan able to answer right back and one.
They need to continue to do that for Agro Sailors. Luring the defense and find the extra do an extra pass. Yan.
So itong si Jeshram Baliwan finally able to give some additional points for the Agro Sailors.
Yes.
As he was doing damage inside the paint for the white shirts ng Agro Sailors.
Yes.
So to si Jeshram Baliwan from Santa Maria, Davao Occidental.
Wow. Layuan na po na itong
Oo.
palayo tayo ng mga players, partner.
Oh, di ba?
From Samal. Na taga...
Del Sur.
Oh.
Tapos karon
Taga
nasa
Sarangani ka ganina.
Oo.
Right?
great ball movement as Acero breaks free inside for the layup.
Great play there for JMC Kings. Nice power move by Baliwan but nothing there.
Second chance, wala. And here comes Acero with a 2-on-3 fast break. Zaragoza, babalik ang tanod-tanod. And this time, JMC on this half-court set. So 10 on the shot clock for Ben Mendiola. Ball knock free. And that's a turnover for JMC.
And balik ang ball sa great hustle play there for jersey number 17 for Agro Sailors. Itong si Arnie Villanueva.
So there's that
Forcing a
nice
turnover.
play.
Yeah.
The Dasafi instant replay. So maganda yung team chemistry there on that last offensive set for the Kings.
System team talaga tong JMC kahit noon pa. The way that play executed, alam nila paano i-timing yung pasa. Mahirap yun. May bantay yun.
So maganda yung man-to-man movement ng
Yes.
JMC Kings on that possession. And that means an easy freebie for Daryl Acero. Now here comes Baliwan. Outside shot. And that's a three-pointer for J-Boy Redosendo.
Great. Nag-hesitate pa siya itira pero tinira niya, pasok na. Or
That's J-Boy Redosendo
Yes, Reposendo.
converts on a three-point shot. And that's our Dasafi instant replay. So tatawo mo ng timeout, magbabalik po kami. So there's the coaching staff ng Agro Sailors, led of course by Coach Roderick Conda. So much improved second quarter still for Agro Sailors. They're still down by double digits. They're down by 10. As Coach Dong Kagampang looks to continue the momentum for the JMC Kings.
Yeah, I think nung problema kasi nung Agro Sailors nung first quarter, medyo they're working too much too hard para counter yung big man ng JMC.
And the tip in is good for Karel Acebo.
Yun na nga lang. Kaya rin, di ko rin masisi kung masyado mag-effort yung Agro Sailors sa ilalim kasi di talaga pwedeng malingat. Masyado matatagang malalaki ang JMC players.
So nagkaroon ng lucky break for the JMC Kings.
Yes.
Arnie Villanueva now matching up against Ben Mendiola. Redosendo has to force a pass because of the defense again for JMC.
Wide open doon si Villanueva, hindi pinasa ni Redosendo.
So dalawa na lang ang kanilang shot clock. They have to make a quick play. Redosendo at the buzzer, short. And here comes Zaragoza on the other side. Extra pass, Ben Mendiola for 3.
May specified roles talaga ang player ng JMC. Alam nila saan pupunta ang shooters nila. Hinanap talaga nila doon si jersey number 33.
So maganda yung floor spacing there on that
Yes.
play for JMC
Si
Kings.
Bennett Mendiola.
Villanueva for the quick answer. That won't work. And again, JMC looks to push. Zaragoza, nagmamadali. One-handed shot. And that is short.
Great defense for Agro Sailors. That time, Baliwan. The hard-working player. Naku, napunta sa ilalim si Baliwan. Yun na nga, isasabi ko, extra pass yung kailangan. Nakalimutan na naman ng Agro Sailors. Zaragoza, wide open.
That 3 is good for Zaragoza.
And napakasakit nun for Agro Sailors. They trimmed the lead down to a single digit. Now, balik na naman sa double digit, partner.
As we take a look at the Sapi instant replay mula kang Zaragoza, at tatawag muna ng timeout si Coach Roderick Conda ng Agro Sailors. So 18 na po ang abante ng JMC Kings, 36-18. So marami na mga fast break opportunities na nakukuha ng JMC Kings off the misses, off those bad plays ng Agro Sailors, kaya nagkaroon ng mga fast break opportunities ng Jose Maria College, and that's a turnover.
Muntikan pa for Agro Sailors doon. Ang bilis ng point swing ng JMC doon, partner.
That's right.
An 8-0 run bigla, but great effort there by jersey number 3.
That's Mark Ledesma with the tip-in.
So, nagpasok na pressure dito si Coach Roderick Conda.
Menjola mula sa kanto, kapos. And long rebound tracked down by Cedric Carino. So Agro Sailors looks to great group dito sa ating second period. That shot, that won't go, but 2 free throws coming up for the Agro Sailors. That's J-Boy Redosendo. Looks to be tested here at the 15-foot line.
Yes. Get set up by Villanueva. Balik dito kay Redosendo.
So if I'm not mistaken, that is the third personal foul for Julans Tanod-Tanod.
Now for Agro Sailors dito, I think they need to try to settle down still. May babali lang lamang ito kahit 15 points or at least 10 points before the end of the pag-end ng first half para may chance lang sila makabalik pa sa third quarter.
That's right. So first free throw is good for J-Boy Redosendo. So their power forward gikan sa Kidapawan, North Cotabato.
Yes.
So second free throw is up. Yes.
Very amazing itong mga players natin dito. Davao City itong mga schools to ha. Pero yung mga players from outside Davao.
So this is an amazing opportunity, amazing showcase of talents from not only from Davao but many parts of Mindanao. So magandang exposure yan, especially sa mga young players from outside Davao City na may showcase yung potentials nila on this big stage, the Davao Schools Athletic Foundation.
Yes, that's right. Great setup there by Thompson to Benaflor. Munti na foul.
So there's Hector Buenaflor with his 2 free throw shots as he banks in the first free throw.
Ito isa sa dilema ng Agro Sailors. Ito mga big mans ng JMC. Kay sinong pumalit, matatangkad at may laro.
So that's like what we said na itong JMC Kings, they have a very deep lineup
Yes.
for Coach Dong Kagampang. So they have a lot of weapons sa kanilang lineup. And Agro Sailors, they have to make a quick answer. Redosendo trapped. Oh, blocked by Thompson.
Ito signature talaga to ni Thompson, yung mga help defense niya dito. At saka napaka-hustle na player din yan. Yan si Raven Thompson, right?
That's Raybon Thompson.
Raybon
We've got a
Thompson.
long wingspan. Villanueva has to fire and hits a 3.
Parang knockout play yun, partner.
Oh, so that's a lucky break for the Agro Sailors.
They can build up for that possession.
Thompson, ibigay sa kanyang kakampi. Oh, that shot was blocked. We were able to find his teammate. That's Buenaflor, short on the layup. Bola mapunta kang Cedric Carino. Redosendo gives it up. Bibigay kang Arnie Villanueva. Looks to go to work. Great separation. The jumper is missed.
Great tap there. Agro Sailors blocked by Raven Thompson.
That's 2 straight blocks for Brayvon Thompson. Estomo inside. Spins out. Pero 2 free throws coming up for Carlo Estomo.
Yun ang problema. Pag may pass break ang JMC, 2-3 agad bumababa sa kanila.
Let's take a look at that last replay. So again, yung mga hustle plays ng JMC able to, provide those offensive opportunities on the fast break as Estomo short on the first free throw.
Yes. Bumalik na to si Ching. Siya yung kumanada kanina nung first quarter.
Oo, siya yung instant spark off the bench for Coach Dong Kagampang. Itong si Reginald Ching. As Estomo goes 1 for 2. So we had great quality games and this is just our first game day sa ating Dasafi League. So a lot of standout players na ating nakita dito sa ating opening day ng ating liga.
Yes.
So 45 seconds remaining and away from the play, there's a foul against JMC.
Yes. Ito yung problema ni Agro Sailors. Hindi sila basta-basta makaporma kasi pisita dito maglaro ang JMC.
Oo, yan na nakita natin throughout this first half. Very physical, they have that big bodies, long wingspan. So medyo nahihirapan na maka-establish ng mga offensive sets itong Agro Sailors.
Physical in the sense na basketball play lang.
Oo.
Hindi yung sinasabi yung masabi natin na dirty plays, yung marumi maglaro. Hindi. Hard defense na binibigay nila. No easy screens. They na-bump, dadaan ka sila, binabump nila yung players. Ito na,
Yung-
nawala yung balance nito ni Baliwan. Sa free throw, both misses for Baliwan sa free throws.
So we're approaching the final 35 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. So 14-point lead for the Jose Maria College Kings.
Ito yung sabi ko kanina, na-target dapat ng Agro, at least 14 points. It's manageable going to third quarter.
Kasi we still have 2 more quarters remaining
Yes.
on our final game ngayong gabi.
And a chance here. Great pass.
And a nice finish mula kang Rick Daet. Estomo on a quick push. Doesn't get it to go. Zaragoza thought about it. Extra pass. Balik ang Buenaflor matching up against Baliwan. Oh, what a move by Buenaflor. And Menjola takes it away. Balik ang Buenaflor. Backs it in at the buzzer.
Ang daling binawi ng 4-point swing kagad ng JMC. Wow.
So take a look at the Dasafi instant replay as Hector Buenaflor with back-to-back baskets at the end of the second quarter. As the JMC Kings takes a 43-27 lead at halftime.
Madayo Davao and hello basketball fans. We're still live here at the opening of the very first season of the much awaited Dasafi. I'm your courtside reporter Christina Abayaratna, and the first half was all about momentum and energy for the JMC Kings. They're leading and against the Agro Sailors, controlling the tempo with strong defense and fast transitions. And that we have here with me the Coach Steve and the Coach, what adjustments or strategies work well for you in the first half?
Our strategy is more on defense and more on backs out and more on plays that continue to play our defense.
How do you plan to maintain this?
And also, we will play defense for the second half to win this game.
I think this show it's going to get more intense in the next game.
As we're about to start the second half, as Coach Dong Kagampang and the JMC Kings now enjoying a 43-27 lead dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreational Center as we continue our coverage sa ating first season ng ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So once again, ako po si Ray Alonsagay, kasama ko po si Chris Escaran. And Chris, so far has been all JMC.
Yes, the mighty JMC showing their might from defense to offense, from small to bigs. They dominated this ball game, but Agro Sailors still has a chance here. It's just a 16-point lead. May chance pa naman sila dito, partner. Ang kailangan gawin nila, first is they need to believe in themselves that they can win or they can compete. Then second, they need to share the basketball kasi yun nga, yung nagsimula sila nag-share kanina, na ibaba nila lamang sa single digit. But when they start to doing what they're doing again in the first quarter, bumalik agad sa 16 points.
Again, yung challenge dito ng Agro Sailors is the intimidation, lalo na sa depensa ng JMC Kings as that basket goes from Jess Baliwan.
Yes, finally, a field goal for Jess Baliwan. Ganda ng jumper na doon. High arcing jumper for Jess Baliwan.
At mintis yung 3-point attempt from Norman Kagampang. Okay, so yung sinabi ko kanina, yung intimidation factor ng JMC Kings, yan yung rason na bakit nagkaroon ng difficulties ng Agro to establish their offensive sets throughout the first half.
And because of that intimidation, yung bigs man or yung bigs na Agro Sailors are really trying so hard na ma-foul ba nila or ma-stop nila. Kaya yun, marami silang forced shots sa ilalim, which is mahirap yun kasi malalaki yung JMC. So that's why they need to share the basketball, trust their teammates to shoot for them para ma-open yung gitna.
But if you're the Agro Sailors, they still have plenty of time kasi 14 pa yung deficit na kailangan habulin.
Oh yes, that's for sure. Masyado pang maaga. There's still a lot of time here. Gaya yan, isang stop na naman for Agro Sailors.
And they want to capitalize of Villanueva with a great catch and finish.
It's a 4-0 run for Agro Sailors. You know, they need to believe themselves. Starting from that point, they need to pressure, they beat the pressure if they need to.
Here comes Raymart Butlao to the corner. Estomo for 3. Kapos.
Another great defense here for Agro Sailors. Nagsettle sila dito, partner.
And a foul on the side against Estomo ng JMC. As you take a look at the Safi instant replay sa mga rare fast break opportunities ng Agro Sailors.
Yun yung wala nila kanina ng first quarter. Kahit may nauuna, dire-diretso pa rin sila. China-challenge yung center nila. Ngayon, pilasa yun, pasok yung layup for Agro Sailors. Tumbas si Jess Baliwan. Nakawala! Ito si jersey number 22. No foul!
And we have another whistle. It looks like a turnover against Agro Sailors.
Humingi ng foul to si Baliwan kasi natumba siya doon. Yung hawak daw.
Budlao will try for 3. Short. Pero hindi lang makuha yung defensive rebound ng Agro Sailors.
Okay lang yun, but at least they have 3 possession stops there. Consider 3 attempts ng GMC are missed.
Estomo, another try.
That's their 4th attempt miss in this quarter for GMC.
So at least maganda yung mga closeouts itong Agro Sailors.
Naka-adjust sila dito. Great great halftime speech from Coach Roderick for Agro Sailors.
And that was a bad pass on the side of Agro Sailors though. And that's a turnover for the white shirts.
Yes. Ano kaya sinabi ni Coach Roderick sa panahon ito? Partner.
Yung sinabi mo kanina na they have to believe themselves na kaya nila makipagsabayan against JMC Kings because of course the Kings, they have a formidable lineup. Pero ito na Agro Sailors, you know, they don't want to put their heads down kasi they still have plenty of time. It's a manageable deficit. They're down by 12 with 7.5 minutes to go in this third quarter.
Yeah, it's a battle of execution naman din, partner. Kasi if you don't believe in yourselves that you can compete, then why play, right? I mean, I'm saying, like kung accept mo na talo na kayo simula pa lang, matatalo talaga kayo. Then, like I said, try to believe in themselves that they can because nakakompete naman sila, nakakuha silang rebounds. They have great execution. Medyo nakalamang lang ng nauna ang JMC but they still can make this closer.
So yan yung mga values na they have to learn, especially if you're the Agro Sailors. Kasi this is part of the development din sa kanilang laro.
Yes.
Kasi
And it's a long tournament pa.
Oo.
I mean, marami pang games. So, hindi pa tapos. Kung matalo sila dito, it will be a learning experience for them.
Oo, kasi this is a 2-month-long tournament. And this will last until December, so just before Christmas.
Yes.
Ito, Davao Schools Athletic Foundation.
And also, malalearn din ng JMC ang Agro Sailors dito, if they can able to compete against them, if they cannot win today, at least they can compete as closer yung lamang. At least, ibig sabihin, kaya na ito yung the rest ng other teams na maliliit.
Oo, so that's I would say a golden opportunity for the other teams just like yung Agro Sailors.
Yes.
Baliwan on the quick catch. Almost a steal from Raymart Budlaw. Again, yung intimidation from JMC. So dalawa na lang sa kanilang shot clock ng Agro Sailors. So they have to make a quick catch and shoot situation for the white shirts. Villanueva at the buzzer. Baliwan, long rebound, puts it up, short. The tip-in doesn't work for Arnie Villanueva.
Great effort there for Villanueva, but can't make the basket.
Budlaw, may bantangan ng bola. Bibigay ng pick si Bravon Thompson. The hook pass it over. Norman Kagampang, short.
Great backs out there. And forward pass dito kay Villanueva.
Nice ball fake. Villanueva scores on the fast break.
12 points na lang ito, partner.
I think the closest margin has been, if not mistaken, 10 points.
Yes.
Yung kanina sa second quarter. And a quick push shot from Bravon Thompson. Pero ito, si J-Bon Redosendo with a quick answer.
Galit si Coach doon. Si Coach Dodong Kagampang doon sa defense doon ng JMC.
Budlaw thought about it. Babalik ang Norman Kagampang. Budlaw for 3. So,
Medyo nahuli doon sa hawak. But still, great effort na for Agro Sailors. Boxing out itong players ng JMC.
So, nakikipagsabayan sa
Yes.
pisikalan itong Agro Sailors.
Actually, they can. Actually, kanina pa sila sa first quarter, medyo yung sa offense na nila medyo may problema kasi sina-challenge talaga nila yung bigs. Which they don't need to do that. Kasi mahirap yun kasi malalaki. Sina-challenge sila sa ere nung first quarter. So, I think they just need to settle down, fight their bigs sa rebounds,
Oo.
right? And then, once they get the ball, start the offense.
And of course, kung balikan natin sa first quarter, they only had 3 field goals
Yes.
itong Agro Sailors.
Yes. 3 field goals. Pero yung 3 field goals na yun, hindi porque 3 field goals na 3 beses na sila nakatira. Marami silang beses na tira, pero 4 yung forced shots. Yun yung parang isang issue doon.
And looks like natawagan ng technical foul against Bravon Thompson. I don't know, I wasn't aware what happened there, pero natawagan siya ng technical foul.
Sa tuck-in, tinawagan ng technical foul ng referees. Medyo strict talaga ang mga referees sa atin sa FIBA rules about sa tuck-in.
So they have to, remind the players yung proper wearing of jerseys talaga.
Yes. And pleading nito si Thompson, hinila daw yung jersey niya na mawala yung tuck-in. Great block there for Agro Sailors.
That's right.
Naku, nabitawan ng bola ni Joshua Liwan.
And Thompson, that was a good contest. Wala kang Mark Ledesma, number 3 ng Agro Sailors.
Ito lang sana hindi mapagod to si Joshua Liwan sa wrestling game sa mix ng JMC.
Mukhang hindi pa siya nagpapahinga, ano?
Yes, but
Since
they
the
can-
opening tip.
Yun sana yung isa, yung jersey number 10, kaso 4th personal foul na.
Yeah, that was John Orak.
Yes.
Had 4 personal fouls kanina sa first quarter.
Ito partner, 11 points na to partner.
A great recovery from the Agro Sailors. 5 to shoot. The step through, Mintis. Grabe yung bakbakan sa ilalim and we have a whistle.
Wide open sana dun si Villanueva. Hindi nakita ni Redosendo. Ayun na, sinabi sa ni Coach Roderick Condan, pasa. Wide open yun.
And that was a good block. Mula kang Mark Ledesma on that Safi instant replay.
Yun yung isang example na sinasabi ko, partner, na they need to pass the ball. Kasi sinayos na naman niya yung defense na tatlo yun, nandun sa gitna. Wide open si Villanueva dun sa 3 points. Hindi na pinasa.
Now here comes Suarez.
Ay, nako po.
Wait
Napakasakit
a
na 3
minute.
points na naman pa GMC.
So there's a foul away from the play. Sa Suarez knocks down the 3-point shot. Tingnan natin yung last replay if we can see on the Safi instant replay. Oh, there's a
Si Brina Flor at saka
push.
si
Between Benaflor and that's number 3,
Ledesma.
Mark Ledesma. Oh, take a look at this, Chris.
Yes,
There it is.
Nagkalaro na naman ng lambingan
Oo.
sa loob ng court.
Again, yung sinabi ko, medyo nasobrahan sa lambingan
Ingat,
doon sa
yes.
dalawa. So again, that was Benaflor against JMC.
But ito yung
Sa
problema
Buenaflor?
ng Agro Series. Napakasakit na turnover. Nakuha na turnover kanina.
Mm.
Hindi pinasa. Wide open sa 3 points. Turnover. Napukulan sila ng 3. Para momentum stoppage yun na 3-pointer yun. Cold-blooded 3 yun para kay number 9.
So foul called against Hector Buenaflor. Kaya
Yes.
2 free throws dito bibigay kang number 3.
Ledesma.
Ledesma. Hindi lang na ipasok yung dalawang free throws for Ledesma.
Balik na naman tayo sa 14 points na lamang for JMC.
Thompson inside. Kapos. And here comes the Agro Sailors. Looks to push. So here comes Jesram Baliwan. Matching up. Attracting a double team. Villanueva for 3. Yes!
Partner, yung pinasa niyo yung kanina, dapat 9 points na lang yun. But great pass there by Jess Baliwan to Villanueva. It's another 3-pointer. I think that's third 3-pointer for Villanueva in this game, partner. Great defense by Agro Sailors.
And that's a broken play for the side of JMC. They have a chance for Agro Sailors to cut the deficit.
Great
Extra pass.
pass.
Baliwan scores!
9-point lead na lang, partner. Ito na, yung extra passes, gumagana na.
So it's now a 9-point game, Chris. 50-41.
It's been chanted now by the Agro Sailors team at saka mga fans dito sa loob. And another defensive stopper for Agro Sailors.
And the Sailors looks to have the opportunity to cut the deficit. Almost knocked away. Teka lang. Natawagan ng backcourt violation against Cedric Carino. Take a look at the Safi instant replay on that last shot from Suarez. Ito yung fast break opportunity.
Lucky break there for JMC. Momentum swing na sana yun. Masyado nagtagal ang bola kay jersey number 18. Kay Cedric Carino.
So babalik na dito si Zaragoza. Almost knocked away. Zaragoza has it. Suarez susubok. 3-pointer is good.
Another cold-blooded 3 by Suarez.
Villanueva answers right back. Pang-apat na ito.
Pang-5 3-pointers ni
5
Villanueva.
3-pointers for Arnie Villanueva. Keeping the hopes
9
alive
points.
for the Agro Sailors.
Ito na. Believe in themselves that they can win.
Suarez, one dribble, pull up, yes.
Grabe Suarez, 8 points in this quarter, partner.
Just in the third quarter for Danny Boy Suarez, 8 points. So a solid outing for the JMC Kings. Itong si Danny
Back-to-back
Boy
threes
Suarez.
at saka isang jumper for Suarez.
That's right. Oh, nice no-look pass. Goes behind the back. Behind the back pass yun. Mula kay Cedric
play.
Carino.
Ito na. Ito na, makita mo na iba na yung facial expression ng Agro Sailors dito. They're believing on themselves now. At mukhang makakakita tayo ng magandang ball game dito, partner.
Zaragoza jacks up a 3. Short.
Bad attempt there for JMC. Bad possession. That's the first 3 for Zaragoza.
So may chance dito ang Agro Sailors to trim down the deficit. That ball was almost knocked away. Ball's loose and Mendiola with the steal. Zaragoza on the extra pass.
To the hot hand, Suarez.
Tanod. One-handed shot. Gets the roll.
Lucky break there for JMC. A momentum stop there. Basket for Tanod for JMC.
So 90 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Baliwan on the face-up against Tanod. Oh, nice no-look pass to John Orac.
Break na si Orac. Partner, first quarter. Ito na, isasabi ko, extra pass.
Oh, instant impact from John
Yes.
Orac.
Yan, ito lesson for this ball game. Extra pass.
And Arne Villanueva with the steal. One man to beat. Takes it inside.
And almost an N1.
We'll go to the line for the two free throws coming up.
Taking over along with Jess Baliwan.
Take a look at the last replay, Chris. Grabe yung pasa mula kang Jeshua Baliwan. Able to spot John Orac.
Great decision there for Baliwan. Tempting the defense na magsag sa kanya. And yun, nakita na wide open.
Oo, nakalibre doon si
Yes.
John Orac on that last play.
Great presence of my Baliwan. And I hope Agro Sailors will watch this replay.
Oo.
Para makita nila yung ano talaga yung isang parang main flow nila ng game na to, which is yung extra pass na dapat may mga dapat na pasa na dapat gawin.
So don't forget to follow our Facebook page at the Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. At tatawag muna ng timeout ang JMC Kings. We're about a minute remaining sa ating third quarter. So a much improved third quarter for the Agro Sailors, but they're still down by 9 points against the JMC Kings.
Yes, partner. 7 na lang, partner. 50-57.
So
Ito
golden
na.
opportunity para sa Agro
Ito na,
Sailors.
na-pick up na yung intensity ng Agro Sailors. Kita mo, partner, iba na yung depensa nila. Gawin sila gumalaw.
Zaragoza on the push. No!
And great effort there by Jess Baliwan. Ito na.
Big rebound. Ito, Agro Sailors. The banker. No! Another try. Reverse. Wala. Oh, that was a wild toss.
Extra pass. Hindi ginawa ni itong jersey number 2. 2 attempts.
Medyo rush yung possession for the
RJ
Agro
Cruz,
Sailors.
itong si Dura.
So a second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Tanod, bibigay. Thompson was fouled. With 6.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter.
Great presence of mind by Thompson there, attacking the defense. Kasi scramble play yun.
Oh, that was a wild scramble play on the side of JMC. And Thompson able to draw the foul on that last play. So
Yes.
first free throw is good for Braybon Thompson. So ito si Braybon Thompson, taga Bangkal. Their 6'3" center. Converts on the second free throw. So final seconds of the third quarter. Agro Sailors has to hurry. 2 seconds to go. Orac at the buzzer. Got it!
And that's a 3-pointer by Orac. Nagparamdam. Ikaw ba naman? 2 quarter kang umupo.
And that's a big boost for John Orac and the rest of the Agro Sailors as there's that buzzer beating 3 mula dito kang John Orac. So at the end of 3 quarters, it's 59-53 for the JMC Kings.
6-point lead.
Back to our ball game start of the fourth and final quarter.
So this is a great boost for the side of the Agro Sailors as they're only down by 6, 59-53 as we're about to start the fourth quarter. As we're about to end our opening game day na ating first season of the Davao Schools Athletic Foundation, the SAFI. So let's listen in to a courtside report mula dito kang Christine.
Okay, as what coach said to the players na more defense and transition plays sa mga players, ang pag-defense nila, yung mga pag-ikot, mabilis na kilos at kung paano nila gawin yung kanilang mga plan like transition plays kung para ma-secure yung shots and para mahabol po ang ating Agro Sailors, kaya mas pinag-tighten pa nila ang defense nila ngayon at mas inaayos mas pinapaganda ang transition plays. Back to you.
Alright, maraming salamat Christine for the courtside report. Sa JMC Kings,
The great answer itong si Estomos sa 3 points ni Orak. Balik sa siyam ang lamang ng JMC.
That pass was knocked away. Here comes Estomo. Stops, bibigay kang Suarez. Entry pass to Thompson. On a quick post-up. Balik sa labas, that's Budlao. Goes in and out. And a rebound mula kang Eddie Lubalan. Orak. Nawala ng control ng bola, but a blocking foul called against JMC.
Medyo na-caught in the act doon si... Great defense sa sana yun for a turnover, but nahuli doon si Bulaw. Na-caught in, na-timingan siya doon na dumadaan, kaya natawagan siya ng foul.
So 19 on the shot clock for the Agro Sailors. So still plenty of time of basketball remaining dito sa ating fourth period. Ten on the shot clock for the Agro Sailors. Baliwan against Tanutanod. 5 to shoot. Baliwan has to go to work. He fires short. And Tanutanod with the rebound. Kasama niya si Estomo, Thompson, Suarez, and Budlao.
Great defense for Agro Sailors.
But they have to convert after that defensive stop for the Agro Sailors.
Nakaupo si Villanueva pa dito sa Agro Sailors.
Oh, that was a wild shot. Tip in, doesn't go.
Ito na naman yung sinasabi kong extra pass. Partner, hindi na naman ginawa ni jersey number 7. Nakakalimutan talaga nila, partner, minsan.
Oo, so there were some bad breaks, lalo na dito sa ating fourth quarter. But again, Agro Sailors still within striking distance as they're down by single digits.
Yes, at least manageable na yung lamang. At saka mahaba pa yung oras, 8 minutes and 16 seconds.
Oo. I think the largest lead was 18 points for JMC Kings.
Yes.
And remember, kanina sa first quarter, Agro Sailors only had 3 field goals made in the first quarter. Menjola from the corner. Rebound, mapunta, kang Carino. Okay, looks for a friend. Bibigay kang John Orak.
Okay, ito na yung sinasabi kong defense ng Crusaders. Magaling sila magdepensa. Ray, medyo masyado na sila isang tense kanina na i-breakdown yung big man ng JMC. Kaya doon medyo nakakaroon sila ng errors. Ngayon, they settle down. They're just focusing on the rebounds. Kaya yun naging success nila. Kaya nabumaba yung lamang sa 9 points.
So babalik dito si Harold Kayunda, number 77.
At saka so si Villanueva bumalik na for Agro Sailors. Spearheading the 9-0 run kanina ng Agro Sailors.
So plenty of time on the shot clock para sa Agro Sailors. Oh, but he passed to the wrong man. Here comes Bennett Menjola. So JMC now go on this half-court set. Kayunda on the turnaround. Malakas. At bola mapunta kan J-Boy Redosendo.
Great positioning by Agro Sailors doon sa top. Ayan na, yung extra pass.
And JR Lubalan converts on the basket. So it's now a 62-55 ball game for the JMC Kings. So let's listen in to another courtside report mula sa Agro Sailors.
Still has the enthusiasm to win and the eagerness para manalo sa laro. Still, the coach is motivating the players and creating a plan para motivate at lalong lumamang sa quarter. Napaglaman natin na ang Agro Sailors ay nawala during the first half quarter, but they are still have the eagerness para bumawi sa first and the last quarters of the game. And right now, the coach is still planning these plans para manalo and still motivating his players.
Alright, maraming salamat for that courtside report on the side of the Agro Sailors. And here comes Bennett Menjola for the JMC Kings with the
Great
steal.
defense for Agro Sailors but great counter defense naman for JMC Kings.
And that three goes for Carlo Estomo. Will that count? Let's see.
Basket count, it's a three.
So a three-pointer is good for Carlo Estomo.
Jersey for 22.
But there's a foul away from the play. So there's that last replay. Ayun. Nakuha natin yung banggaan sa pagitan ni Buena Flor, and that was number 22. That's Rick Daet. There it is.
Napakasakit na possession naman nun but cold-blooded three by Estomo. Nakawala si Budlao.
Nako,
Overshoots.
sobrang yung layup. But another chance for the JMC Kings. Estomo on the push shot. That won't go.
Ito si Villanueva. Extra pass.
Lubalan inside gets the layup to go.
Great extra pass by Villanueva to Mr. Dumalag. And ayan na. 8 points na lang din to, partner.
So they have to make some stops if you're the Agro Sailors. Budlao, balik ang Estomo for three. Way short.
Great defense for Agro Sailors, forcing Estomo to hesitate.
So a big possession dito for the Agro Sailors. They're hoping to cut the deficit to either a 5-point game. 5 or 6 points.
Yes.
So anything can happen here in the final 6 minutes in this fourth quarter. Carino nakawala. Whoops, that was a missed shot. And here comes JMC. Extra pass to Mendiola. 3-point shot, no. And another chance.
By jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 7. Extra pass.
Villanueva. The tip in. Another chance. Got it. Rick Daet with a big tip in.
Yeah, 6 points na lang ito, partner. Hinahabol nito ng Agro Sailors.
2-possession game.
Yes. Defense been chanted now by the fans.
Estomo.
And the players of Agro.
Way off.
Ito, medyo patig na ito sa Estomo. Partner.
Here comes Daet. All the way. Good. 4 na lang ang kailangan habulin ng Agro Sailors. At natawan ng quick timeout si Coach Dong Kagampang.
Mukhang narinig tayo kanina, partner, sa Saudi Sudan. Believe to win. Yan.
And there's the Safi instant replay from Rick Daet as he was able to cut the deficit to a 4-point game. So it's now a 4-point game separating the Agro Sailors and the JMC Kings. At we're now at the halfway point na tayo, Chris, dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Yes. The Agro Sailors, what they're doing great this game is that nag-adjust sila, nag-focus sila na to get the rebounds pag mamimiss ang JMC. So, eto na, makikita na natin ang makakalamang kaya ang Agro Sailors.
Estomo, 4-3, big shot from Carlo Estomo.
Eto na, bumawi si Estomo sa airball 3 points sa kanina.
Balik sa 7 ang abante ng JMC Kings. Agro Sailors looking for a quick answer. Quick post up from Joshua Baliwan. Turns around, the shot off the mark. And Thompson with a big rebound.
Medyo para sa akin, bad possession yun, partner, kasi tatlo yung nandun sa gitna, partner.
Oo.
Walang rebounder for Agro Sailors doon.
Here comes Menjola. The jumper, got it! That's 5 straight points for the JMC Kings. At tatawon ng quick timeout si Coach Roderick Conda. As we take a look at that last instant replay, atid sa inyo ng Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. So biglang bawi dito ang JMC Kings after a quick 5-0 counter-attack. Wala kang Carles Tomo and Benedict, that's Ben Mendiola. JMC now up by 9, 70-61.
That is, mag-settle down muna dito yung Agro Sailors. They don't need to panic. 9 points pa lang to, partner. 3 possession lang to.
Shot from the corner, yes! Mula dito kan J-Boy Redosendo.
Ayun na. Great setup there by Villanueva. And a steal here. Extra pass
High off the glass, good!
for Daet.
Rick Daet with big basket.
5 points na to, partner.
So a 5-0 counter-attack on the side of the Agro
Yes.
Sailors. Oh, that was a bad possession for the JMC Kings.
Kahit sino, di makuha yon. Kahit sabi ni Thompson na masyado malalim yung pasa. A chance here for Agro Sailors to trim down the lead to a single.
Possible, yes, one possession ball game. Oh, blocked by Thompson. But a quick foul against JMC. So take a look at the Safi instant replay. Ayun. There's Villanueva. And that was a block shot from Raybon Thompson.
Yes. Ito si Villanueva. Fearless for Agro Sailors.
So 10 on the shot clock for Agro Sailors. Down to 5 on the 24. Villanueva has to hurry. Shot at the buzzer. Got it! Joshua Baliwan with a clutch basket.
Great setup there by Villanueva to Balon. 3 points na lang to, partner.
Dalawa na lang kailangan habulin ng Agro Sailors.
2 points pala, rather.
Menjola.
Estomo na naman, wide open.
3-pointer, Mintis. And here comes Agro Sailors. A chance to tie. Yes!
And the crowd goes wild here at the Almendras Gym.
Rick
Tabla tayo.
Rick Daet ties the game at 70.
Ito sabi ko, believe to win, partner.
Ito nakikita natin lalo na sa side ng Agro Sailors. And a foul against Arnie Villanueva.
Wala pa sa penalty ang Agro Sailors.
And here's our Dasapi instant replay. As Rick Daet going coast to coast to tie this ball game up at 70.
Ito yung sabi ko sa iyo kanina, partner. Ang ginawang adjustment ng Agro Sailors ito, pinaka-big ni ginawang chance nila. Nag-focus sila how to rebound the ball. Thompson.
We're under the final 2 minutes sa ating fourth and final quarter.
Almost a steal here.
Agawan ng bola. Who has it? We have a tie-up. And a big possession coming up from the Agro Sailors.
Great defense by Agro Sailors. Eto na.
Golden opportunity for the Agro
Yes.
Sailors to take the lead on this possession.
Nag-iba talaga yung ano nila, partner. Simula nung halftime, iba na yung game face nila. Yung itsura ng mga mukha nila, iba na. Nag-settle down talaga sila and good job. And kudos. And at saka yung extra pass na sinasabi ko.
Oo. Mas maganda yung pinapakita dito sa fourth quarter for the Agro Sailors and a chance to take the lead on this possession. Villanueva on the drive, but an offensive foul called against Sheshwan Baliwan.
Offensive foul, jersey number 24, Jess Baliwan.
Medyo nanggigil si Baliwan doon.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul for Jess Baliwan.
Bad possession dun for Agro Sailors. Sayang nakawala na sana dun si Villanueva.
And with that offensive foul, that's the 14th foul now for the
Yes.
Agro Sailors. And a big possession for the JMC Kings.
At saka ito lang yung nakita kong difference ng ginawa ng JMC dito. They're settling outside shots itong JMC.
One possession, Estomo for the lead. No!
And
Big
Daet
rebound by
nalibay.
Daet. Here comes Agro Sailors. Uy, nawala na kontrol ng bola. And Estomo with the basketball. And we have, let's see.
Lucky break for JMC there. Pero penalty na ang Agro Sailors.
That's his fourth personal foul.
So penalty na ang Agro Sailors.
Now-
Rick Daet with now his fourth personal foul. That's a big call.
Yes. Now, etong si Estomo, dito makikita kung pressure, kung pagod na si Estomo. Pagod na si Estomo kanina. We'll see
Big
if this
pass
will
here
affect his free throws.
For Carlo Estomo, first shot. That goes in for Carlo Estomo. Still has another one.
Yes.
Napaisa para kang Carlo Estomo. It's a thriller sa ating first game day na ating opening season ng Dasapi.
Who would have thought, partner, na close game tayo.
Tatawag ng quick timeout si Roderick Honda ng Agro Sailors with 1 minute and 14 remaining sa ating fourth quarter. So this is a big test sa ating fourth and final quarter for these two teams as Agri Sailors will now have the possession to chance to either tie the game up or take a lead with a 3-point play.
Yes. And ang pansin mo dito sa JMC, bakit nakahabol tong Agro Sailors? Nawala yung big man dominance nila. Right? Simula nung na-foul trouble si Talon, hindi na binalik. At saka itong yung isang big man na si Ching, hindi na binalik sa loob ng game.
So a big possession for Agro Sailors. Looks to tie or take a lead with a 3-point play. Daet, may tangan ng bola. Kontra kay Estomo. It looks like a foul. Could be against Buenaflor.
And
Fouls at jersey number 20, Hector Buenaflor. That's his third personal.
So third personal foul for Buenaflor, and that's the last foul to give for the JMC Kings. So big possession para sa Agro Sailors. Looks to tie this game up. Villanueva pops out. Breaks free. No! Rebound mapunta ka na floor. Was fouled.
Great attempt there for Villanueva pero masyado malalim, partner.
Oo. Kulang lang yung pectus, yung kanyang reverse layup attempt. And that's the fourth personal foul for Jess Baliwan. So I think two players now in foul trouble. We have Rick Daet with 4 fouls and Jess Baliwan with 4 fouls as well.
Yes.
One of their key guys for
Yes.
Coach Roderick Conda.
Tsaka si Orak, hindi na binalik nung nakamake ng run. Si
Oo.
Orak, yung 3 points niya kanina, right?
And that's another player also in
Also.
foul trouble. 4 fouls for John Orak. So big free throws para kang Hector Benaflor, their 6'2 center. Baba ng tira, no!
A big
Big
miss here.
miss. Yes. May isa pa for Hector Benaflor. So the pride of Hagonoy, Davao del Sur, looks to convert on this second free throw. That won't work. Bola mapunta sa Agro Sailors.
Dawa lang lamang ito.
Daet now has it. Now into the hands of Baliwan. The kick out, 3-point shot, no! And a big rebound for GMC. Almost a swipe. On a great hustle play for the Agro Sailors. What a hustle. Villanueva for the lead, no! At bola mapunta sa JMC Kings. Agro Sailors had plenty of opportunities to tie the game or take the lead.
May chance pa dito, Agro Sailors. Possession lang to, 2 points lead.
But for Agro Sailors, they have to make a quick foul kasi patay na ang shot clock. They have to make a quick foul. And Arnie Villanueva able to commit the foul with 13 seconds to go. So a big test coming up para kang Ariel Zaragoza. Their 5'7" point guard mula sa Tagum City.
Big clutch free throws here for Zaragoza to ice this ball game.
No! He misses the first.
Pressure free throws. Mga kaibigan.
Second free throw coming up for Ariel Zaragoza, but the pressure is on this kid as he looks to convert on this second free throw. Shot is up. Got it. At tatawag dito ng timeout si Coach Roderick Conda ng Agro Sailors.
So, time penalty situation na dito ang Agro. So, I think they're gonna try to go for a quick 2 here. I think to do a foul game kasi mintes ng tatlong 3 at free throws ng James, 13 seconds pa, malayo pa to. And I think if there's a timeout still ito si Coach Roderick Conda, I think they're gonna try to go to a quick 2. But if wala siyang timeout, I think it's gonna be win or go home. Try to win a 3. I mean tie or go home na. They need to attempt a 3.
So don't forget to follow our Facebook page, Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. Makikita niyo yung mga upcoming schedules ng ating liga on our first ever season mula dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. So we have Coach Ondo Conda looks to draw up a play. Tingnan natin if they're gonna go for a quick 2 and play the foul game or they're gonna try to go for a 3-point shot. But for the Agro Sailors, grabe. They made a quick effort. Grabe yung nag-step up talaga yung kanilang opensa at depensa.
Yes.
Lalo na sa fourth quarter.
They believe in themselves that they can win. And I think, again, this will be a learning experience para sa kanila or a booster para sa kanila. Regardless to win or lose. Talo na sila kanina, tingin ko, yung body language nila. But they try to overcome na makibalik and have a chance. Sana makuha ang lamang kanina.
Alright, so here we go. Rick Daet will trigger in. He'll inbound this basketball for the Agro Sailors. Looking, able to spot Baliwan. Contested three. No! And a big rebound by Menjola with 1.8 seconds remaining.
And tama yung sabi ko, they gotta try to look for a 3. So,
And that was a missed shot from three from J-Boy Redosendo.
mahirap din natira partner. Step back, tapos with hands.
Oh, gabi yung contest din.
Yes.
Great defensive job for the JMC Kings. Forcing a very difficult three-point attempt mula kang Redosendo.
Yes.
So insurance baskets coming up for Ben Menjola. And there it is.
And I think that might do it for this ball game. But ito, sa mga nanonood ng mga team siguro na scouting itong JMC, I think marami sila matutunan sa game nito. Paano bumalik ang Agro Sailors from the 18-point lead.
So what a game! Our final game dito sa ating first game day ng ating Dasafi as the JMC Kings wins this one by 474-70. So Chris, your thoughts on sa ating last game ngayong gabi?
Gaganda ng ball game. Tingin ko kanina, yung Agro Sailors parang they try to give up, but great halftime prepared by Coach Roderick Conda, and they were able to come back. Almost taking the lead,
Ladies
but
and gentlemen,
kinapos lang
for
sa dulo.
updates
And
schedules
great
of the Safi
opening day
Season
for
1. Please don't
our
forget
league.
to like and
So,
follow the Facebook
ito na po,
page
ang
of
The Safi, ang Davao's Ultimate Premier Basketball Collegiate League sa Davao. So, please like and share po and support po ang The Safi.
And of course, pasalamatan natin ating mga partners, the City Government of Davao, of course, led by our acting mayor, Baste Duterte, and ating mga kaibigan, the staff of the Davao City Recreational Center for having a great venue, a great place to hold this first season ng ating Dasafi Davao Schools Athletic Foundation Incorporated. As we take a look at our full game highlights sa ating final game, what a thriller, Chris, dito sa Davao City Recreational Center. So again, here's our winner sa ating matchup ngayong gabi, the JMC Kings with their first win mula dito sa loob ng Davao City Recreation Center. So plenty of basketball action coming up dito sa ating Davao Schools Athletic Foundation. So don't forget to follow our Facebook page sa Dasafi. And plenty of action coming up mula dito sa Davao City Recreational Center.
Shining brightly, your presence we hold dearly. Forever grateful we will be. Jose Maria College, raising your standard high for all the world to see. Forever grateful we will be.
dear AIFCP, shining maritime school in the country. We proudly praise and adore thee, the light of knowledge, truth, and liberty. Maritime and you is the challenge, with gratefulness in soul and mind and heart. Through the teaching of our elders and the guiding principles, success will be ours always. Alma Mater, dear AIFCP, shining maritime school in the country. We proudly praise and adore thee, the light of knowledge, truth, and liberty. Maritime and you is the challenge, with gratefulness in soul and mind and heart. Through the teaching of our elders and the guiding principles, success will be ours always. Agro-industrial foundation, college of the Philippines, heard of the land of promise, heard all of sea what the land is sources, hotel and wisdom, love and loyalty. We are the loyal and devoted sons from all the tribes of this fair land. Trustingly we praise ourselves and their protected care. AIFCP, alma mater dei. Alma mater, dear AIFCP, shining maritime school in the country. We proudly praise and adore thee, the light of knowledge, truth, and liberty. Maritime and you is the challenge, with gratefulness in soul and mind and heart. Through the teaching of our elders and the guiding principles, success will be ours always. Success will be ours always. Success will be ours always.
That game was close and full of energy. And the GMC teams with 74 and 70 scores. And we covered the star player of the game, Someone number 59 with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals, and 5 assists. So, and, aba yung kayong tayo na kayo hindi ba? So, anong ako sa isip time? Shoot hanggang shoot. Nung sasabi sa kanya,
si galit na sa girlfriend and kaya Iris kay
yeah, shout out sa kanila. And ako nga po pala si Christina Abayarat na representing the Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated. Thank you so much. At